excitement of Ganeshotsav has gripped Mumbaikars. The 10-day festival brings in a lot of gaiety and celebration across the state. This year on, we see that there is a bit more of awareness with respect to environment friendliness, and even as the government has banned the idols made of plaster of Paris, there is a consistently growing demand for idols made of clay. I am here in Mumbai in Ghatkopar. In one such workshops, I am at Snehal Ganesh Kala Mandir in Ghatkopar, where such clay idols are made. Let us try and understand from Ashok Kadu, who is the owner of this workshop, about how the entire process is. मिट्टी का गणपति आप बना रहे हैं। अभी इस साल तो महाराष्ट्र में प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस के गणपति नहीं बनेंगे, तो कैसा रिस्पांस है, क्या लगता है आपको?
अभी हम लोग ये मिट्टी का मूर्ति जो बनाता है वो मिट्टी का मूर्ति का जास्त मेहनत रहता है, ज़्यादा मेहनत रहता है, इसलिए लोग पीओपी के ये हो गया। ये 20 बरस ना ये पीओपी के बारे लोग बोलते हैं टूट फूट होता है, ये होता है, वो इसलिए हो रहा है। पर हम लोग को दिखाता है ये मजबूत मिट्टी रहता है। अब तो देखा अभी वो होल निकालने जब भी वो उसको कान में निकालता है कितना चिवट रहता है। ऐसा जी मिट्टी बनाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है। कम से कम 1-2 महीना वो मिट्टी पूरा भिगाना पड़ता है। बाद में उसमें हम लोग कात्या नारियल का जो कात्या रहता है वो अंदर मिक्स करता है, इसलिए वो मजबूत रहता है। अभी ये देखो हाथ ऐसा हिला के भी देख सकता है, ये देखो कुछ होता नहीं है। और लोग बोलता है टूट होता है, फुट होता है। ये देखो ये भी हाथ से बनाया है मूर्ति सामने का। वो धारा भी जाने वाला है। वो बोलता है हेवी है, अभी अकेला उठा सकता है वो मूर्ति। वो तो मिट्टी का मूर्ति हेवी रहता है, पर बहुत लोग ने ये साल मिट्टी का मूर्ति ही पसंद किया है। आज कई लोग जितना अपना मिट्टी का मूर्ति जितना लेके जाता है वो लोग खुशी से लेके जाता है। अभी आप तो देखा होगा ठाणे से आया है, अभी अंधेरी से आने वाला है, इधर से आने वाला है, सब जगह पे ये मिट्टी का इधर बाजू सब 50 लोग पीओपी लेके बैठे हैं मूर्ति। ये पूरा मुंबई में ये मिट्टी का मूर्ति है। इधर
मिट्टी की मूर्ति बन रही है। कितने सालों से हैं आप सब लोग, ये पूरा परिवार है आपका, इसमें कितने सालों से आप ये काम कर रही हैं, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका?
Actually, I'm doing this from last 15 to like 18 years with my father.
Last 15 to 18 years. What's your age and what's your name?
Actually, my name is Santoshi and I have done my masters and everything. I'm almost 27. So actually this was my grandfather's like not business, his hobby, and now my father is pursuing that and hope that will continue it further. So it's from Mumbai. It is from past 35 to 37 years. It was before in our village Vaibhavwadi, that is in Konkan region, and now we are making this. In between, my father also they learned about plaster and everything, but now he also know that making idols of plaster is not so good. It is not so eco-friendly. So we started again making. We started this clay models of Ganpati Bappa. And now it's good to see that people are now coming back to the clay models, as there is so much awareness about how POP is harming environment. And I just wanted to pass one message through your source, because we have some customers, they will just choose this eco-friendly Ganpati, but after going home they'll just apply some diamonds on that idols, which is not so good, because it is harming marine system. If you're putting that in artificial pond, if you are doing Visarjan in artificial pond, that is fine, but if you are going to Visarjan karne ke liye aap ja rahe ho in sea, in Arabian Sea, then that is not so good. So we should keep all these things in mind, that we should not apply diamonds and everything to the clay model. We should go for a eco-friendly Ganpati. If you can buy a newspaper like Lagda से भी गणपति बनाते हैं।
पापिये गणपति,
yes,
that
yes.
you're talking about.
There are different types of it. So you can go for शाडू माती, and you can also do like घर पे ही विसर्जन करो और वही मिट्टी लेके जो भी आपके नियर बाय वर्कशॉप है, just go there and दान करो that clay, because it is not so वो पूरा dissolve नहीं होता है in even shadow clay, but it is not so harmful for environment. So
you're saying, this is an important point you make with respect to shadow clay as well. One of the points that is always talked about is whether the idol will be intact or whether, it's breakable. Secondly, questions are raised because many claim that this is a clay idol, but you never know what has gone into it. What is the process? How do you procure your clay? From where is it procured? How to identify that this is a clay idol?
By looking at the murti, sometimes you'll see, like, if you are a murtikar, if you are in that field. But if you want to see, you can just ask, or you can just check, like, if you are doing just if you want, like, from downside here, you'll see it's gray in color perfectly, and with this shade you can identify that this is a clay model. And plus POPs, like, you will find the clay model is bit heavier than POP. And if you just do विसर्जन in normal घर पे कुछ भी बना के टब में भी आप फूल वगैरह डाल के विसर्जन कर रहे हो, in 1 hour that मूर्ति will be like completely clay, dissolved. So it is nice, वो clay भी आप जाके वापस दे सकते हो. So that is so good कि, and if you see POP का जो मूर्ति होता है, after विसर्जन day if you go to beaches you'll see पूरा हालत खराब रहता है. We go for beach clean campaigns, so that is not good, because we are worshipping that god for 10 days and then we are looking at this, it's not so good.
Is it more of hard work to make a clay idol versus a POP idol?
Yes, it's more of hard work. We have our some artists, I can say, those who are working with us just as a hobby, they know that उसे पूर्ण ऐसे ये करना पड़ता है. वो हम लोग आटा कैसे गूंथते हैं, तो पूरा मिट्टी पानी डाल के उसे मलना पड़ता है, हाथों से रगड़ना पड़ता है. एंड जो पीओपी की मूर्ति होती है 1 hour में आप लोग बहुत सारी मूर्तियां निकाल सकते हो. बट फॉर क्ले मॉडल यू विल टेक 2 to 3 or more than 2 days to like make one idol. So like 10 to 15 days for some time. Like if you see that मूर्ति जो पापा ने हाथ से बनाई है, it took almost a week. So it take more efforts, but it is quite environment friendly. So one should go for it. It is bit expensive, but I think environment is more expensive than other things, right?
A good message here coming from the Kadu family, which has been running this workshop for 2 generations now. The 3rd generation is already in line here, and clearly, as you can see, so many idols here made of clay, Shadu clay, and all of them environment friendly. Well, though it's probably a bit higher in terms of cost, it will not cost anything on the environment, and that seems to be the logic among all these beautiful Ganpati Bappa idols today, as the entire state of Maharashtra is fervently waiting for Ganeshotsav, which begins tomorrow. And amid lot of excitement, the message is quite clear: choose environment over cost.